Hello everyone, I'm Safi and I'm 6 and I'm Sara and I'm 4. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Safi and Sara's Crafty Corner. Hello! Hi, I'm Safi and today I'm going to show you how to make super cool ceramic dinosaurs, even more awesome with foam clay. Foam clay is so squishy and fun. We can use it to make our dinosaurs look all colourful and special. So grab your clay and let's get started. Ready? Let's make some dino magic happen. Here's a ceramic dinosaur we're gonna cover in foam clay. This is one I made earlier.
I love all the colours. Let's see Sarah's one now.
This is Sarah's one. She hasn't finished the face.
What a tail.
The money boxes. And on the bottom they have little holes that cover with this. Here's some foam clay. You can buy it in the craft store. Here's red and dark blue and black and yellow and white. I'm going to start with the head. It's fun to put it on.
Is it squishy?
Yeah.
Very squishy? Is his head going to be blue?
Yeah.
It's lovely. And do you have to really push it on? And flatten it out? Really cool. Can I have a go?
Yeah.
You're going to cover any gaps. Perfect. You're doing a really good job.
Can I finish
Yes, of course you can. We're going to have to make some eyes, aren't we? Shall I help you a little bit?
Can I do the wings?
Of course you can. Let me just finish his head a bit. This is fun. I think parents would even love doing this, as well as kids, don't you? I'd love to have a go. What other things have you made with this type of foam clay?
A reindeer.
You made a what?
A reindeer.
Oh, wow.
I
Can
made
we
it-
see him?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the wings.
Is his whole head going to be blue?
Yeah.
Even his horns?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm starting with the wings now.
Okay, you start with the wings.
This is what I made when I was 2.
Let me see, put him down. Oh, he's so cute.
Yeah.
He's a little
It's my
reindeer.
favorite one.
Is he?
gonna pop the eyes on.
Yay, you need some black in the eyes as well.
Yeah.
Are they the pupils?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put them on. Perfect. Good. Stop.
I'm gonna put the yellow on the bottom.
Oh no, I squished his eye up. Oops. I forgot it was still soft.
Done! It's finished! It was so cool and fun to make!
Let's see it. Oh, you look so happy! Is it your money box? Yay! He's happy. Go.
Hi! My name is Dragon. I'm Dinosaur. I'm Dia! And I will... I am naughty. Do. Goodbye. Bye-bye.